So, Mr. Casey Kok, what is the objective of GD&T?
Well, promoting and transfer of skill and knowledge of GD&T through progressive training, coaching, mentoring, and consultation to learners is our goal.
How does GD&T appeal to engineers?
Due to the wide range and complexity of its content, the training is developed to impart skills and knowledge progressively at various levels.
What kind of working experience must I have to understand GD&T?
Learners will be exposed to various topics in both theoretical and intensive practical design exercises. This will enhance the learning experience and the abilities to translate GD&T in complex design intent to engineering application correctly. This is important factors in enabling the learning outcome to achieve competency in GD&T training.
Oh, okay. So, Mr. Casey, based on application on the GD&T knowledge, how will GD&T apply to most engineers in their field of work?
Learners and engineers equipped with skills and knowledge from our GD&T courses plays an absolute value-added roles in the company they are in. It can deploy product design, FMEA, DOE, problem solving, and quality improvements, which are very vital and in alignment to the highly competitive and demanding Industry 4 business environment.
Last but not least, will there be a next step or a level to further the knowledge of GD&T?
Sure. There will be advanced GD&T and Torrent Stack courses. This requires deeper knowledge in GD&T.
Thank you very much, Mr. Casey Kok.